Hello everyone. How's everyone doing? Hope everyone is good. Everyone is great. Hope you had a wonderful week, whether in your personal life or in trading. I really hope it went well. If it didn't, that's fine. I am here to correct that and make sure that the the following week is better than the current one. And that's what we all do. All right. So that being said, we're just gonna go through the main pairs. All right. So it's going to be AUD, USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, USD CHF, USD JPY, and NZD USD. All right. So those are the seven pairs we're gonna analyze again this week, and we're gonna uh, first recap on the week which is finishing. And today is the 28th of September. So we're going to go from the 22nd to the 26th, from Monday 22nd to Friday 26th. All right. Obviously, today uh, it's the weekend. It's Sunday today, 28th of September. So the market is closed. All right. So that being said, we're just gonna project. We're first gonna recap on the week that just happened from Monday to Friday, and then after that, we're gonna project on the next week, which is gonna start on Monday the 29th of September to Friday the 3rd of October 2025. That is the year is almost at its end. But anyway, that being said, we're just gonna dive into that. So, as I said last week, Sunday, I did say that it was on day one, so I was expecting at least another day two until here or straight down below this line, right? And he gave us the day two. Okay, stop and high. I mean, shoulder, head, shoulder, day two drop. Yeah, that's exactly what happened on AUD USD. You can see here, and that being said, I will make another video later on today if I can. If I can't, then it will be during the week to explain exactly what he does, what you guys need to see in order to be able to trade, right? Because uh, this week I have seen a few people asking me, how do you know how? This is part of the learning process, all right? This is part of the learning process, and then I will teach you and make sure that you understand and know exactly when to trade. Right. So for this week, for this coming week, he gave I mean for the past week he gave day one and day two. Okay, the day two crossed here the 50 and the 800, which basically means that he is on level three. Day three, level three, choppy behavior back and forth here. So what I'm expecting on Monday the 29th when it opens, or what I'm expecting maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't know, but sometime this week, it's what I'm expecting the following week. It's a stop hunt below this line. Okay, establish a W and then rise for the fake move weekend. So for this week, starting from the 29th of September to the 3rd of October, on AUD USD, we are expecting that pair to buy. So we're only gonna take buy trades on this one, only nothing else. Right? Only buy trades on this pair, AUD USD for the coming week. All right. Let's move on to the next pair, which is Euro USD. All right. So Euro USD, as stated last week, exactly that, and as I gave you the signal on the in the group also here about the sell. This is exactly what happened. He needed more money, so he went to fetch for more money. But you can clearly see that he still sold. Can you see here? And can you see here? So the only thing he did here, he went to look for more money on top here. Okay, he was supposed to drop here. I will do that also on what if I can later on today. If I can't, then I'm gonna do that during the course of the week. If not, definitely next week, Saturday or Sunday, I will uh, give you the quick update on what to look for exactly. So this is what he did. Okay, day two, drop here, and then back here, day three, chop. As you can see, he already went to the peak here. So this is the peak formation high. He gave day one, he gave 2 days down, and then you can see that the 50 crosses with the 800 here. So that simply means that he is on a day three level. I mean level three, which is back and forth. So he will just do this type of behavior. Can you see this type of behavior here? That's basically what we call level three behavior. All right. So most probably, what he will do, he will rise straight away or come down here. Okay, give another stop hunt below that. But most probably, I think that he will just rise from Monday or Tuesday. I don't know exactly when, but then that's exactly what he's going to do on that pair, Euro USD. So Euro USD, this week we are expecting him, since it is midweek reversal, okay, I'm expecting more probability to rise more here than on AUD USD, okay, because remember this is the midweek reversal, so it will give a maximum of 5 days, a minimum of 2 to 3 days, right? So that being said, I will just make sure that I will find the how do you call it? Find the right timing and then have the right path. But then this is what I am expecting on Euro USD this week. All right, going from the 29th, I think, yeah, 29th of September to the 3rd of October 2025. All right, by the end of October 2025, I want everyone in the group, everyone watching this video to be able to project for the following week. Okay, following what he has done this week. All right, this is pretty much easy. We're gonna do that and make sure that we take the right trade at the right time. All right, that that's very good. So after Euro USD, we're gonna jump onto the GBP USD. GBP USD, he gave the midweek reversal last week. Okay, so he gave day one here, day two drop. After that, he pulled back day two reversal here. This is exactly the day three behavior. Can you see here? In between here. Can you see how he goes? He goes back and forth. He doesn't go anywhere. This is what we call the level three behavior. Why is that level three behavior happening? It's because they are sharing the profit that they have taken this one and these 2 days. That's basically what they're doing here. They like, okay, no, send me 100 million. Okay, so it goes down, and then no, you send me what 750 millions back, it goes back up. That's why it goes up and down. Yeah. All right. So this is day three chop, as you can see here, and then the reset. Day four drop, and then day five drop. 5 days. As I told you, the maximum is 5 days. It cannot go further than 5 days. Okay. And then also he cannot after 5 days he has to pull back because that's where it finishes. So most probably on Monday, I think he's gonna also go rise, okay, for the fake move weekend until this specific point, or somewhere around there. And then after that, the week will be over. And then as you can see, as soon as he brings it back here, let me just zoom out for you guys. And you see that here, it's where it started the week. So he ends the week exactly where he started it. Very important. But in between, he killed you guys. He took your money and then back exactly where he finished. Okay, the world economy is not disturbed, but then he he made money. All right, we need to also be able to make money when they make money. That is the purpose of all that. Okay, so this is day five. I mean, yes, this is a day five drop, okay, and then he pulled back. Also, I am expecting the pair to rise somewhere around about here. GBP USD maybe not, okay. GBP USD it will rise definitely, but then I'm not a fan of this type of trades because as you can see, he already pulled back to this pair. I mean to the 50, this moving average, all right? So he's just gonna go back and forth here. Okay, back and forth, and then you see that attitude is gonna give that here and then rise. Right. So GBP USD for this coming week, I am not advising anyone to trade that pair. All right. But that being said, he will still do the movement. All right. To the next pair, which is USD CAD. USD CAD is wonderful because if you did watch my video, my previous video, I did mention what he was going to do, and exactly he did that. This was last week Friday. Okay, here he came down here, W, and can you see from the opening of the week until the close of the week, he only been rising, and that I predicted that. That is exactly how I want all of my students, all of my students to be. Okay, be able to know that from Monday to Friday he will only do one direction. This is powerful. All right. So can you see here? Day two rise here, day three rise, and then day four rise. Okay. Jump back and forth. Maybe Monday he will give a rise above this and then reverse down. Because here, as you can see, no, this is not the fake move week beginning. I have corrected it. I thought I corrected it. Okay, this is the peak. Wait, let me just write it down. Peak formation low. As you can see, yes. So this is the peak formation low. The day one rise, the day two rise, the day three rise, the day four rise. Remember, maximum is 5 days. So definitely, when he goes above here, he will give you the M and then reverse. Very important. Very, 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 very important. All right. So this week, coming from the 29th of September to the 3rd of October 2025, what we're expecting USD CAD to do, drop. That's basically what it is it's going to be doing. So, and then we're going to have the midweek reversal on this pair. So definitely this pair will sell this coming week. Okay. So we're going to have sell day one, day two, day three, no matter what. But then definitely we know that what we expect this week on the on this specific pair is to sell. All right, with the midweek reversal, it has the midweek reversal on USD CAD, and it also had the midweek reversal on Euro USD. So it's already two pairs that you can look forward this this coming week. So these two pairs will make sure that you go to the maximum of it. That's basically what you need to do. All right. That being said, and then this is day four rise. After that, it will chop back and forth and rise midweek reversal, day one drop, day two drop, and so on and so on and so on. All right. That being said, you can also go back down, give another fifth day, but then you know that this line, this number, have this number in mind. That once it goes above that, it's the selling part that you need to expect. All right. So that being said, let's move on to the next pair, which is USD CHF. USD CHF, as I said, went down on Monday. Okay, day two rise. Ooh, beautiful rise above this point. Yeah, this is day two rise. So here also exactly the same thing. So this is 2 days. Okay, he is back, probably back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and then he will hit the stops to the high side and drop. So on this pair, we have the okay. This one will be the fake move weekend. Okay, because he gave us the midweek reversal here after giving it. for 5 days, as you can see. As you can see, after giving it for 5 days, it gives the midweek reversal, day one, day two, okay, and then it goes above that specific point and then come back down, close the week within where he started it. Very good, very good. All right, so that will be the movement to expect on USD CHF for this coming week. Then after that, we're gonna go on USD JPY, which is basically also the same thing. As you can see, day one rise, opening, day two rise, okay, and then day three rise. After that, 3 days up, okay, then you need to expect the reversal to come down. All right, very, very, very important that one. So on USD JPY, we need to expect a sell also for the fake move weekend because as you can see here, this is the midweek reversal. So we're definitely gonna have a fake move weekend for this coming week from the 29th of September to the 3rd of October 2025. That being said, let's move on to the next pair, which is going to be NZD USD. All right, so this is exactly what we're having. All right, what a long day one. Day one drop here, back and forth. Day two straight away. Day three drop. After that, back forth. And I think, no, I think this one, he has to give us also the fake move weekend. So it's going to be a buy, okay, this week for NZD USD. That being said, that's exactly what you have for the for the for the coming week. This is exactly what you have. So you have a much better how can I express it? You have a you have a large spectrum of what to expect on the main pairs. All right, I'm gonna do another. I'm gonna make another video later on, and I'm gonna be explaining exactly what to expect, when to expect it. All right, that is also wonderful and amazing to see. Right. That being said, I hope you guys watched it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again during the course of the week within our group, our trading group, which is exactly what we need to do. That being said, have a wonderful day, have a wonderful and blessed Sunday, and I hope to see you soon. And I hope to hear from you very soon. You can join our group with the link which is in the description of the channel. You can like, share, comment, give us your opinion, what you think about all of this. But then again, this week, most probably, you're gonna make money. And the most important is don't be greedy. Right? Thank you so much. Have a wonderful and blessed Sunday. See you next week. Bye.
LFW.